see if it's nice and sunny out. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Now you guys can see my view outside the window. Okay, first up, let's get some coffee. I need coffee. Okay. Where's the coffee maker? Coffee, where are you? Coffee? 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 This resort doesn't have any coffee in the room. Coffee! I need my coffee. There's no coffee in this room. So there was not a coffee maker in the entire room. I literally did search everywhere. So that means I have to walk down to the food court to get coffee, which I'm in a country inn, which is kind of on the back corner, and it's gonna take me 5 minutes just to walk and get coffee this morning. Something to definitely consider when you're on vacation. Either bring your own coffee if you're a big coffee drinker like I am, or you may want to check into the resort amenities before booking. So I lost my cowboy boot. Have you guys seen it anywhere? This is so cool. I just had to do it. We're climbing in the drum. We're actually in the Calypso building, and I'm climbing right up the stairs inside this bongo drum. Welcome to Port Orleans Riverside. First up, let's check in. Checked in, got our documents, and our documents with us on the back of them, which is always kind of fun. So now I'm off to the room. I gotta go grab our stuff and drive over to the room and get all settled. And then who knows what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm thinking maybe Disney Springs. Wow, that was like way too easy. That never happens. Early, I parked my car there, came up the stairs, whoop, and there's my room. Dude, that never happens. And that's probably right, because that's not my room. Oops, my bad. Let's try this again. Oh, there's my room. Okay, a little off on the room number. Still close, though. Yay! Okay, yep, that's the room. There you go, that actually works. Okay, woohoo! We're here. I am so excited because we're in Magnolia. I say we. I keep saying we. I'm so excited. I am in Magnolia Bend, which to me is like little mini mansions. I love this resort. And then they just recently renovated both sides, Alligator Bayou and this Magnolia Bend section. And I think the renovation was amazing. Very well done. So I love these little headboards. But that's exactly what the resort looks like, what the little rooms look like. and such a pretty room category. I think Alligator Bayou is more rustic if you like that rustic outdoors. But I just love Magnolia Bend. I think it's so elegant and just reminds me of those old Mississippi plantation homes. Just a beautiful resort. I love how they have split vanities too. I think that's huge. Oh, and most importantly, oh, look, 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 coffee! Just like All-Star Music, they have the mosquito prevention information and cutter bug spray, just in case you need it. And definitely at this resort, I would recommend it because this resort has a lot of water. There are a lot more mosquitoes here than other resorts. So this one definitely is a good use of having the cutter bug spray. People will definitely use that. Well, I'm all settled in the room and I decided I am gonna go down to Disney Springs. You know, staying at Port Orleans Riverside, they have a water taxi that will take you, a boat, water taxi, ferry boat, friendship boat, one of those that will take you over to Disney Springs. So I figured, you know what? I have no kids. Let's go. I think I'm gonna go get sprinkles and have a cupcake, maybe even go catch a movie. Who knows? It's kind of fun to do Disney World solo. So I'm gonna go catch that boat and head over to Disney Springs. And you guys get to come with me. I also mentioned that I love the Magnolia Bend section, and this is why. Doesn't it look like a little plantation home? It's like a little mini mansion. I love this whole section. It's so beautiful. Oh, I hear thunder in the distance. Something tells me we're gonna get canceled and replaced with buses.
I mean, I think...
Okay, change of plan. I am taking the buses because it is thundering, which means any second now they're gonna cancel the boat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just be proactive and go catch the bus. So we're dropped off at the new bus stop for Disney Springs, which is the first time I've actually used it. It's pretty nice. Usually we use just the water taxi. But it's pretty nice. Drops you off right at Town Center. So you're right in the middle of the new stuff. Look how dark the sky is. Oh my gosh. All right, looks like no line for the cupcake ATM, but I'm actually gonna go inside this time. So look at all the cupcakes. Oh, they have mini ones too. I didn't realize they had the little ones, but I ended up getting down here, strawberry shortcake this time. And then if you want to watch them, they're actually making the cupcakes. Oh my gosh, that looks so yummy. Look at all that frosting. And that must be marshmallow because now she's gonna cook it. Look at how cool that is. That is so cool. And they all look the same. That's amazing. Planet Hollywood is looking good. I cannot wait until that one's done. That one's gonna be so cool when it's done. Made it to AMC before the rain. But look at the clouds. This is craziness. All the way over there, look how dark. All the way around. So I am glad I'm gonna be in a movie. All right, so seriously, it does not look very pretty, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good, so let's just see. All right, so this is strawberry shortcake. That does not look like strawberry shortcake to me, but okay, I think they totally made a mistake and got me the wrong one. That is not strawberry shortcake. Oh wait. Oh wait. I'm starting to taste it. See, right in the middle? That's the strawberry part. Oh, and look at it. It's like a little gel thingy. Alright, now it's strawberry shortcake. Pretty good. Not my favorite from them, but pretty good. well, time saver tip. Look at the line to get tickets for the movies. I literally hopped online before I got here on my phone and ordered the tickets. So, order confirmation. So all I have to do is show this and walk right in and totally skip the line. Is not a dine-in, which means I need to get something to eat because it is dinner time and I am hungry. But this is cool. This is a section that literally you just grab what you want. Hot dogs, popcorn. They even have little tostita things with cheese. You just grab what you want and go pay. So I think I may do that. Oh, look at the cute little kids packs too. I'm a big kid. This section down here is quiet. So the movie was great. It was really, really funny, and I had a great time watching it. So moms out there, go see Bad Moms. It was really, really good movie. So I'm heading over to see if I can get the water taxi back to Disney's Port Orleans Riverside, and it looks like there's some heat lighting in the distance. So hopefully the boats are running. Looks like they are. Yay! So it looks like where I am, they're no longer going over to Disney's Port Orleans Riverside. I have to walk all the way over to the marketplace. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go back to the buses and just take the bus back. A little bit easier, and it's getting late and I'm getting tired. So thanks for joining me today, guys, from All-Star Music and Port Orleans Riverside and Disney Springs. It's been a very eventful day. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe if you're new so you can join us on our adventures tomorrow. Who knows where we're gonna be tomorrow? It's gonna be a good one. So make sure you guys subscribe. Keep on dreaming. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.